Running out of bed space in your Ford Ranger is a real headache. Gear sliding around, long loads sticking out, and nothing staying where it should. A bed extender fixes that in a simple, practical way by giving you extra usable cargo length or a secure divider setup. Links to all products are in the video description, so you can check them out anytime. Kicking things off with the GAFONAXRDI is the heavy-duty multitasker in this lineup. It's built to handle up to 661 pounds of dynamic load, which is seriously overkill in a good way if you haul heavy gear. Made from reinforced stainless steel, it's designed to resist corrosion from salt, snow, and chemicals for years without much maintenance. The real twist is its 3-in-1 design. You can use it as a cargo extender, flip it into a workbench, or even set it up as a camp table for up to 6 people. It fits a wide range of trucks, including Ford Ranger, and installs in just a few minutes with a sliding system, though bracket drilling is still required for folding function. Reviews tend to focus on its versatility more than anything else. Then we've got the Trumgeta bed extender, which is more like a modular setup for people who like flexibility. It adjusts from 46 inches to 54 inches, so you really need to measure your bed width before buying. Don't just guess it. What makes it stand out is the MOLA panel system, which lets you mount gear, straps, recovery tools, and accessories in different configurations. It can flip out for extra cargo space or flip in as a divider for groceries, coolers, or tool bags. Aluminum alloy construction with powder coating gives it decent durability, and rubber dampers help reduce rattling on rough roads. Installation does require drilling, but the included guide makes it manageable even for one person. Next up is the AMP Research Bed Extender, and this one feels like the premium, no-nonsense option. It's designed specifically for Ford Ranger models from 2019 to 2023 standard cab, so fitment is dialed in. You get that classic flip-out, flip-in system. Open tailgate gives you up to 2 feet of extra cargo space, while flipping it inside keeps everything locked in and organized. The aluminum construction feels lightweight but seriously strong, and the powder coat finish helps it resist rust and road wear. Reviews often highlight how clean the install is and how factory level it feels once mounted. It's definitely more expensive, but the build quality backs it up. Finally, the ADI Off-Road Bed Extender. This one keeps things simple and functional. It uses a U-shaped design that really helps maximize usable bed space while keeping cargo secure. You can flip it outward when you need extra length for lumber, bikes, or ladders, or flip it inward to stop smaller gear from sliding all over the place. The quick pin system makes installation and removal pretty fast, though you'll need to drill for the brackets. Built with weather-resistant PA6 nylon uprights and aluminum alloy tubes, it's made for real truck life, not just looks. Fits newer Ford Ranger and Ford Maverick models, so it's a solid budget-friendly utility pick. So yeah, whether you're hauling work gear, camping equipment, or just trying to keep your truck bed organized, there's a setup here for every style and budget. Check the links in the video description for all the products. If this helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more truck gear breakdowns and real-world reviews.